Sheikh, these days, lots of Muslims, they do nikah inside the mosque. And then once nikah is done and the murakka and everything is done, everyone goes to marriage hall for walima. Now, I'm aware of this, that this is fine and halal, inshallah. But what I want to know is, if I were to do it this way, that is nikah in mosque, as opposed to conducting both nikah and walima in a marriage hall or a party hall or a hotel, is there an extra reward? That is nikah inside mosque mustahab?
It all depends on the niyyah. Conducting the nikah or the marriage contract where there is a proposal and acceptance. I give you my daughter in marriage. He says, I accept in the presence of the witnesses. This is called nikah or marriage contract. Whether you do it in the masjid, you do it in a marriage hall, you do it in your home, you do it in the streets, there is no big significance out of it. I've heard of people delaying their marriage, coming all the way to Mecca to do it inside the haram, as if doing it inside the haram is an extra reward or barakah. And when we go to the Quran and the Sunnah to figure out whether this has any basis, we don't find any evidence backing it up. So it doesn't matter whether you do it in the masjid or in the marriage hall. The most important thing is that if you were to do it in the masjid, you respect the masjid. There won't be any loud shouts or congratulations or littering the masjid with bottles or papers or the similar things, and this is fine, inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
My question is, some days ago, I read about Salat al-Tasbeeh, if it's an innovation or proven. So is it an innovation or it's proven?
There is a difference of opinion among scholars, and they're divided into two groups. A highly recommended sunnah, backed by a reputable group of scholars such as Sheikh Al-Albani, Sheikh Al-Arnaout, and the likes of our contemporary scholars of hadith. And another group, and there are quite a lot of them, they say, no, this is totally fabricated and an innovation, led by Sheikh Al-Islam bin Taymiyyah, Ibn Al-Qayyim, Sheikh bin Baz, Sheikh bin Uthaymeen, and the whole 9 yards. The reason of them fabricating such a hadith, because the format of the prayer is second to none. There's nothing in the religion that matches it or is similar to it in this specific number of tasabih, while standing, while doing this, while doing that. Secondly, no one among the whole generation of the companions, may Allah be pleased with them, reported it or was reported doing it other than Al-Abbas, if I recall correctly. Thirdly, making the reward of doing it every single hour or every single day or every single week or every single month or every single year or once in a lifetime, the same. And this is not known to any kind of form of worship that whether you do it once or multiple times, the reward is the same. So our scholars, bin Baz, bin Uthaymeen, may Allah have mercy on them, said that this is a fabricated hadith and it's not permissible to practice.